saw videos on TikTok. So people do TikTok videos.
I was just saying.
No, but people don't know chiropractic. Chiropractic is naturally done by hands. It's a Greek word, by the way. And in chiropractic, we adjust the spine, take the pressure off the nerves for the subluxations. Some people like hands-on, and what she saw was, which I probably said in other videos, we have activators like this, and we even have activators like this. Here, watch this here. That one's electric, which, by the way, you were looking face down so you could see the thing.
Right.
And this is the same way as this here, which is the original way that most chiropractic schools have. And here, bring any finger up, any finger. See, it feels like this, and feels like this. It feels like what? Nothing. And this moves bones this much and moves them like this much to take the pressure off the nerves. So pushing does one way and this does another, and there's all different ways for different people, from osteoporosis to different things, but lots of times things that you see on TikTok are a lot of show and a lot of different things to make people watch, to get content and different stuff. And